Nature is definitely stunning. Nature is, we can also say nature is like effortless. It is just there. It is just there for us to admire. Look at Karela, effortless. It's just there because it is just existing. And nature is exclusive, extraordinary. It is, we can say, it's the final. The final. It's like when we are having the dance at a wedding. People talk about the final dance. So nature is the final. There's no other thing which can defeat nature. It's the final countdown. Look at that. The final countdown. And uh, wherever it came from, that is, we call it genius. Nature is genius. We used to think maybe it's only scholars who